Shrimp cocktail. For the cocktail we need shrimps, lettuce, cherry tomatoes, brandy, Tabasco, Worcestershire sauce, ketchup, mayonnaise, lemon, cream, and pepper. Defrost the shrimps. Fill a pot with water and bring it to a boil. Cook the shrimps for 1 minute after the water boils. Drain the water. Cool the shrimps. Peel them. Remove the gut. Rinse the shrimps. Let's make the sauce. Pour mayonnaise into a bowl. Add ketchup. Add Worcestershire sauce. Add Tabasco. Squeeze in the lemon juice. Pour in some brandy. Mix it well. Add pepper. Pour in the cream. The sauce is ready. Serve the shrimp on a lettuce leaf. Squeeze lemon juice over the shrimp. Decorate with lemon slices and cherry tomatoes. Serve the sauce on the side. Finally, add pepper to taste. Enjoy! Bon appétit!